This video covers the different triads when the bottom note is C, and this gives us other fingerings for the inversions that we don't cover in the other triad exercises for C. For instance, it's C, C, C. It's like you're going to do a regular C, like we've done before, except now we're going to move these two inner fingers around to all the different variations of the different triads. And we're going to alternate. We're going to move this top, upper middle, then bottom middle, lower middle, I guess. Upper middle, lower middle, upper middle, lower. We're just going to take turns moving these around. So we're going to start with the upper middle, and we're going to take it up a whole step. So in the right hand is fourth finger now, and here. So that's it. Then we're going to take the lower middle, and we're going to take it up a half step. So now in the left hand, that's going to be a third finger, and here. Then we're going to take the upper middle, it's its turn, you know, down a half step. You just come down, keep the fourth finger here. Then we're going to take the lower middle, and it's going to go down a whole step. So it's here, it's fourth finger now in the left hand. Then we're going to take the upper middle and lower it down a half step here, third finger now in the right hand. And then finish it off with the C major again, because it's C minor, C major. And that's the pattern. It's here. Good exercise. Now we do this 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves. Actually, I usually just do it the 4 octaves, 4 notes per beat, because there's so many triads in here. It takes forever. And I don't do the contrary, although you could. But I don't, because it'll take forever. But just do it up and down 4 octaves, 4 notes per beat. Drop the wrist on the beat, and accent on the beat. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'll get there eventually. It's down. Start as if we're going to a C major triad. I won't be demonstrating the whole thing on all of them, but I'll give you an idea here, and you can always come back to this video and look at this again if you lose track. I do explain the pattern, because we do these in all the white keys, so there's 7 of them to do, and I do them in the same time I'm doing the major chord that starts with that white key, like C major, D major, E major, F major, G major, A major, and B major. Any of those, I do this at the same time. So there's multiple arpeggios to practice on a key signature at any time. Yeah.